ED has summoned businessman Surved Lohia as well in connection with this case. Investigation and interrogation happening at two places at the same time. On one hand, you have the Enforcement Directorate at the moment interrogating Gaurav Arya and also giving summons to businessman Surved Lohia. What is his connection? Widening the drug angle and the probe conducted by the ED. Kunal Jani also being grilled by the ED. And at the same time, at the DRDO guest house, several people have been summoned once again and are being interrogated. Mohit Bhatt is also reporting from outside the DRDO guest house, I believe, on the same story. Mohit, I think you were there earlier at Riya Chakraborty's residence. What about the developments on Riya's front? It's going to be the fourth consecutive day that she will be grilled. What other details is the CBI hoping to get from her? We've already in fact, they've already interrogated her about the personal equation that she had with Sushant, his financial details, and what sort of control she had on his life.
Well, yes, Preeti, Surved Lohia has just gone inside. Now, Surved Lohia is a successful entrepreneur here in the circles of Mumbai, and his car was being used by Riya Chakraborty when she went to ED office for questioning. It's a grey color Ford Endeavour, and Riya has been using that car to go to ED office when she was being asked by ED to come for the interrogation. Now, the CBI wants to know that what exactly is the connection between Surved Lohia, Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakraborty. Remember, Surved Lohia was also the one when Sushant Singh Rajput passed away. He penned an emotional note on Instagram, and on 14th of July, 1 month after Sushant Singh Rajput passed away, he again wrote an emotional poem on Instagram. So the CBI has called Surved Lohia that why exactly his car was being used by Riya Chakraborty, and then he would also been asked by that what kind of relations were there between Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakraborty, because we have seen for past some time the Surved Lohia was quite close friend to Sushant Singh Rajput also, and at the time when Kedarnath movie of Sushant Singh Rajput was released, he also praised the movie. So yes, as of now, Surved Lohia has gone inside. Shruti Modi has also gone inside, the former manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, and so clearly more and more dots are being joined by CBI. As of now, Riya Chakraborty is inside. This is the fourth day when Riya Chakraborty has gone inside. There has been various rounds of questioning. On the first day, she was asked about her relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput, then also about the drug angle. We know for a fact that how businessman Gaurav Arya, who had that alleged chat with Riya Chakraborty on WhatsApp regarding the procurement of narcotic substances, is also there at the ED office. So clearly,
so three central agencies are looking at several aspects of this story. And Mohit Sharma, I just want to bring you in as well here with the NCB, the ED and the CBI all running parallel investigation, connecting several dots in the case. It's in fact going to intensify in the coming days is what we can assess going by the response of the agencies and how quickly they are acting on the leads.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. You know, one thing that is very evident from the kind of people who've been called today is the fact that CBI really wants to unearth everything that has really transpired over the past few weeks. Now, it's not just one or two people who've been called today. We've seen the kind of the number of people who've been already summoned today. They're all inside. Obviously, the questioning will take place one after the other, and possibly a cross questioning as well of multiple people. Now, the whole idea behind this is to construct once again the timeline as to what really happened just prior to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Also, on the other hand, you raised a very pertinent question. Now, with all the agencies working simultaneously to unearth as to what really transpired, what really led to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, the CBI has officially been termed as the point agency. Now, the CBI's job is to not just take information from the other agencies, including the ED and the NCB, but at the same time try and quiz others, including Riya Chakraborty, her brother Shovik, whether we talk about Siddharth Pitani, we talk about Samuel Miranda, all of them as well in connection with the chats, but at the same time in connection with the transactions which have been made and
in fact, the CBI's job is also going to be to connect these dots once all the information is assessed and taken together from several agencies. For the moment, thanks very much to all of you for getting us your inputs on this story.